Hey Trace, I hope everyone's having a great session. It's Monday. Well, it's actually Tuesday morning for me. It's 1:55 in the morning. So had work tonight, unfortunately, so I wasn't able to. I did bring the laptop with me, and I was contemplating taking a trade, but I had quite a bit of work on. Unfortunately, it just I find that I've got to be absolutely focused with the day trading, especially with quick little trades that pop up potentially like MGTI. I'm not sure what I just did there. What did I just do? Cursor is once. Okay. So look, congrats to the guys who I was talking about selling MGTI, who did sell MGTI, and I think it got as low as 205. There was a little bit of a dip buy opportunity, but not really. Would have been hard. I would have definitely got out when it hit resistance there, and very small gains. It's really not worth even talking about. So, but it did sort of grind up, and now it's sitting in the 230s where there's a little bit of support as well. So we'll see how this one goes. I'm just going to check Bitcoin, see if it loads up. The reason why I bring this chart up in regards to MGTI is that it's the biggest Bitcoin miner in the US. They're expanding their operation as well with miners. So, wow, this is interesting. The more it collapses, the more the thesis for shorting MGTI grows. And it's not entirely fair, really, with the paper trading because there's no issue with finding shares to short. So that's a bit of a disclaimer there that I would like to highlight. ATOS, I think there was a dip buy on this. I'm not sure if my buddy Chad got into this one. Was it AKER maybe? I think it was AKER. This was on the back of ownership of common stock by a certain person, which was a large acquisition, and it was on Friday, I believe. Where's the dip? I think it was here. But it was sort of, there might be a little bit of support in the 38. I was sort of crashed through here. What was my other level? I didn't even draw it in. But it did have a little, sell off, and then this happened about 35. Quite a lot of volume as well. So congrats to the guys that got into that. What I'm going to bring up here is just the biggest percent here is, tops. Let's bring that up. It's going to be a quick video, guys. I need a bit of sleep, so. But the thesis for MGTI was there. I couldn't really trade it. I was thinking about, you definitely want to sell down to, support and then close out and then have a buy. So, but the dip buy wasn't good. I mean, overall the market's very down, not significantly, but compared to what it has been doing. Tops is really difficult to play. I don't really know. There's no recent catalyst. There was something on the second with some SEC filings. No, we'll see. It could be a bit of a panic sell and then a dip buy later in the session, but I'm not going to be around to see that. So I think I'm going to conclude the video, guys. So look, based on my watch list that I put out, would have been Sunday night. Things have sort of not been really. I mean, this got down, but it didn't get down to the support that I drew in, so it would have been difficult to get this one just so. I mean, I guess if you waited till it got above the 5-day moving average, which that's something I'm going to be trialing just to see how it goes. ATOS, it's sideways right now, pretty uneventful. MGTI, it did have a bit of a sell-off, but now it's on pretty firm in the 230s to 220s, and then AKER is holding strength a little bit. well, I had a bounce there of support, so that would have been a potential trade setup as well. I mean, it had a nice little book to buy there, and now it's there's no real setup. So I'm going to conclude the video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now, and have a great day.